In this video, I will show you how to buy Solana meme coins on Trust Wallet. To do this, just go and open up Trust Wallet, and first you will need to go and deposit some money into your Trust Wallet. Now what you can also do is click buy and then just buy Solana with your bank or debit card or Apple Pay. Now once you have some money in your account, you then just want to go and click swap in the bottom. And from here at the top, just select any currency that you own. For example, I have some USDT on the Tron network. So for the network, I'll select Tron here. And for the currency, I'll do USDT. Now at the bottom where it says to Solana for me, you just want to click on whatever it says for you. Usually it will be Ethereum. And then for the network, just search for Solana right there so that it is set to the Solana network. And then where it says Sol for me, then just go and click right there. And now here you will see a whole bunch of Solana meme coins that you can go and swap to. So you can see this list is really long and I can just keep on scrolling, and these are mostly Solana meme coins. So just find one that you want to buy, for example this one, then just choose how much you want to buy and then you can just go and purchase it. Now sometimes you will need to swap, for example, your USDT to Solana and then swap your Solana for the meme coin if you get a notification that says no route available. But that is how to buy Solana meme coins on Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.